Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to install termux on your phone, on your mobile device, either rooted or unrooted. So now I'm not going to install it through Play Store because the Play Store version is outdated. So I've already installed F-Droid, but in my next video I'm going to walk you through how to install F-Droid on your device. So let's get started. You open your F-Droid app and search for termux. After you've searched for termux on your F-Droid, then you'll see many applications with the name termux. Your own is to download this first one, termux terminal emulator with packages. Here it is. Then press the install button. You see it is 97.0 MB, while the other one on the Play Store app, it's I think 85 MB. So now after the download has finished, we are going to start. It's going to install automatically. So today I'm just going to walk you through how to install termux. In my next video or the next before the one after it, we will start the hacking processes. I'm going to teach you how to hack device, phishing, how to install Kali Linux on your Android device using this termux application. Now we press install, and many other stuffs you can do with this termux application. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Well, actually I'm just starting, so if we can get to 100 subscribers in 4 months time, then I'm surely gonna do a free tutorial class on Linux only using my laptop. A free tutorial class. Anyone who wants, if you want, then let me know on the comment section. You press the open. After you've opened, it will show you an interface like this. I think my data connection is not that good, so well, here is the interface of termux. So another app you would like to install, I've already installed it, is the hacker keyboard. Let me show you an example of the hacker keyboard. So here it is. Here is the interface of the hacker keyboard. Basically, if you want to use termux, I think it's very recommendable to use this hacker keyboard because you have many icons on the hacker keyboard that are useful for the termux. So I will recommend you download the hacker keyboard. Just go to Play Store and search hacker keyboard there, and it's going to pop up. You'll see an icon like this one here. Yes, it will show you something like this. After you've downloaded, then you set input and all that. So thank you guys for watching. Next time I'm going to show you how to style and give termux permission to your storage. So thank you. Subscribe.